Hi, today I'm gonna tell you a story about me. Actually, I still remember that day. I had my CV printed, I practiced answers, I even watched how to pass an interview on YouTube. I was nervous, but I thought, okay, I'm ready. The manager smiled and said, "Tell me about your experience." I took a breath and said with full confidence, "Yes, I'm very interesting in this job." I was so proud of myself, but he paused and looked at me, then continued the interview. But something changed. He wasn't smiling anymore. I could feel it. Something went wrong. After the interview, I couldn't stop thinking. Did I say something wrong? Was it my grammar? I don't know. Later that day, I searched the sentence, and then, boom, I saw it. Interested means I feel something. Interesting means I make others feel something. I wanted to say I care about this job, but I said I'm exciting. That was a small mistake, but actually it changed everything. One word, just one. It didn't make me stupid, okay, but it made me human. But actually, I didn't get the job. That's okay. But honestly, I'm thankful for that moment because after that, I started paying attention. I started asking, wait, does this word really mean what I think it means? I built a small notebook, a mistake notebook. Every time I found a word like that, I wrote it. Not just the meaning, but the feeling, the situation, the emotion around it. And guess what? A year later, I did another interview. The same question. Tell me about your experience. I smiled. I said, I'm really interested in this opportunity because blah blah blah. And this time I got the job. Yes. So, if you've made a mistake like that, welcome to our club. You are not stupid. You are learning. You're growing. Every English speaker has stories like this, even native ones. It's not about perfect English, it's about honest progress. If this story felt real, save this video, share it with someone who's learning too, and remember, sometimes a mistake is the start of something beautiful. Bye.